Welcome to Junnediya Institute of Information Technology. Diploma in Computer Applications, Business Accounting and Multilingual DTP is the name of your course. You are doing Module 1 IT Tools and Business Systems. Windows XP, MS Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, MS Access, DOS and Linux are the software you are going to learn. My name is Qayyum sir. Disk operating system is an old operating system. OS stands for operating system for computers. DOS or disk operating system uses commands to tell computers what to do. In this assignment we are learning how to handle files and folders using DOS commands. So let me start that is DOS screen for you. It is start and run. You can also go by Win key. Here you type CMD, press enter. This is the screen of my DOS disk operating system. It looks black and this is the cursor and this is called prompt. This is called DOS prompt. Now you see that this is the same as C: is the C disk, that is system disk, which is open here. I will change the drive by typing D and colon is you have to press and hold shift key. Press and hold shift key and hit this 2-point colon, press enter. The drive is changed. Now it says create a tree structure for the various directories as shown below. So here in this first assignment, subjects is the name of the first directory. Remember, folders are called directories. Folders, what we learned in Windows, they are called directories in DOS. So to create the subjects directory, the command is MD. We call it make directory, spacebar and type subjects. Remember, we cannot make mistakes in this spelling. You can make mistakes in the subject name of the folder, but not in the commands. MD, press enter. Nothing seems to happen, but be sure that directory subject has been created. Subject directory has been created. If nothing appears here, it means the directory has been created. Make directory, the command we gave. Make directory and subject. Remember the spelling subjects. So to change and open the directory, we use the command cd and subjects. Press enter. Always you have to press enter after each command line. Now look here, D : subjects, and then this is the root. This is called the root. So subjects directory has been created now, and it also open. It is just like clicking subjects folder and pressing enter. Now we did in my computer. Now it says make 5 directories in the subjects directory. First is MD arts, press enter. MD science, press enter. MD social science, SISS. MD Hindi, I have used shortcuts. MD others. So these are the 5 folders which are called directories in the DOS. They have been created. Now in the arts directory we have to create social and psycho. So first of all we need to open by using the command cd arts and press enter. Now you see that this chevron, this angle bracket, it tells you that the arts directory is now current directory. We can also think that it is open. Now here you need to create MD. MD is for make directory, that is creating the directory. Social, press enter. MD psycho, SCYCHO, psycho. These 2 directories are created. Now in the science directory we have to create 3 more directories. Now you see that this arts directory is open. Here we cannot create this physics directory, because physics belongs to science, we need to go one level up to subjects directory. To go to one level up, we have the command cd dot dot and press enter. Now you see that arts directory is closed now and the subjects directory is open. Now you type here change directory, that is cd and science. So science will open. Now you see that science directory is open. Now here we will create 3 more directories inside the science. emd physics, I will say just phy. You also use the shortcuts chem for chem, emd math, math. So these three directories are created within science directory. Now it says in the chemistry, in the physics directory, there are 2 more directories. So yes, I will change the directory to physics cd. Remember, we give the name phy only. Now you cannot type the full name physics. We have created only phy, that is the name of directory. Press enter. The directory phy, that is physics, is open. Current directory is physics. Now create 2 more directories, emd physics, that is metaphysics maybe, and emd optics. So these are the two directories created within phy, that is physics directories. Now it says create a file. Remember, now it is changed. So far we were creating directories. Now it says create a file, that is solution.txt is a file and it is not a directory. So cd dot dot to change the directory to science, and then cd chem, press enter, that is changed to chemistry directory. Now here to create the file, the command is copy-con. Remember and note down the command, that is copy-con, and name of the file solution solution.txt. This is the name of the file. So after pressing, the cursor will come down here. Now you type anything here, chemistry solutions, maybe say for example oxygen and hydrogen and chemicals like acid, etc. Now I completed the file. After completing the file, press Ctrl Z. Remember, Ctrl and Z. This you will see, and then press enter. The file, it says one file has been copied. So this is the steps of creating a file: copy-con solution.txt, then the contents, then after finishing the typing the contents, press Ctrl Z and then press enter. The message says one file has been copied. Now we need to move to social science. Social science directory is in subjects directory. So I will say cd dot dot, one level I will go up, that is now science is open. One more time I will say cd dot dot, so that subjects is now open. Then I will say cd name of the social science I gave earlier, it was ss not full, so ss folder directory is open. In this ss directory I need to create 2 more directories, that's name emd civics. Look in the guideline page number 31. Press enter. MD history. Press enter. 2 more directories are created. Now in these 2 directories, in the civics directory we have 2 files. So let me change to civics. Civics is now open. We call it to open directory is called current directory in DOS. Here we have a command called copy-con to create the file. Copy and con means console, whatever is being typed from the console console is the same. This is black screen. Press enter. Now type something about law whatever, these are the contents. Then press Ctrl Z. Now this file is created. Once again, one more file, it says copy-con old law.txt. Press enter, type anything, and then press Ctrl Z. This second file is also created. Now it says in the history folder 2 more files needs to be created. History folder is not within civics directory, but it is within SS directory, so I need to go to one level up. We call it going one level up is by cd dot command. Press enter. Now cd history, press enter. Now here copy con is the command, copy con, and the name of the file is egypt.txt. now here you say Cairo, the name of the city is inside Aleppo. Press enter, control Z, and then press enter. See, one file is created. Now copy con h1.txt, that is maybe something, type anything here, control Z, second file is created. Now inside the Hindi folder, to go Hindi folder, cd dot make directory Hindi, press enter. Okay, make Hindi md Hindi a directory. Sorry, I gave the command one more time, make directory. It should have been, it says the folder already existed. See, these are called the error messages. You can learn more by using, if you make a mistake, these are the errors. It is telling that the Hindi folder already exists, so I need to use the command cd, that is change directory to Hindi. Inside this Hindi I need to create one language folder, md language, and another is md grammar. So these are all what create structure is done. Now it says imagine you are in the psycho directory. These are the command, these are the instructions to be done. We will do it in our second practical.